Hi there, this is Varun from Creators Anchor. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate that. And also, I hope you guys are doing amazing and most importantly, staying safe. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can create neon glowing effect in Canva. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas and packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking.
So as you can see, canva.com is open here. If you don't have account in canva.com, you can register it for free. Link in the description down below. You will get 30-day free trial. And before starting this video, you need an image without background. If you don't know how to remove image from background, you can watch my other tutorials. After watching that, you can remove image background within seconds. I will also provide this image link in the description. If you want to use this image, you can download it from the description. Now let's start the video. First you need to upload that image. Go to upload tab here, click on upload media and upload that image. I have already uploaded that image, so I will not upload it again. Click on this image, it will appear on the canvas like this. And now you need a triangle frame. Go to elements and search frame. Look for the triangle frame, this one. Click on that. Insert this image into triangle like this and make the top part of the image out of the frame like this, out of the frame. Just for that you just need to double click here and you can make the top part out of the frame like this. Now again go to uploads, click on the image again. Now what you need to do is you need to align this image on top of this image. Let me show you how. If you drag this image on top of this triangle, it will go inside like this. So click on the image first and then press the control button, control key on the window or option key on the Mac, and drag this image on top of this. Now you can see it will not go inside the frame. Now resize this image like this. Let me zoom this so I can see better. Make it bigger. You can reduce the transparency of the image to check whether it's properly aligned or not. Click here and reduce the transparency. As you can see, it is not properly aligned. So let's align it properly. Press the control button. You can use arrow key. Now I think image is properly aligned. Now you just need to crop this image from the below like this. Perfect. Now you need a triangle element, so go to element section here, click on this and search for the neon triangle, hit enter. You can select any of these. I will select this one, click on this, rotate it to 180 degree, minus 180 degree, resize it, reposition it, send it to back and send image lower part to the back. Select lower part and send to back like this.
So your neon glowing effect is ready. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure you give us a like and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon to get the notification of the new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure you keep creating.